tau Syakri jong kipat pak.
District Election Officer East Khasi District in Khasi Pynlong Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation Program National Institute of Technology NIT Mikhalaya. Uba edi remnar khat jongka Mikhalaya Model United Nations ulaya sam ya kejingtip alor ka ki APP kiba lapalat dangshan da ka Election Commission of India ka Know Your Candidate KYC app kabayarap ya kipat ba banlum jingtip ahlor kino kertong high constituency jongki ulang ru balang ba ka si vigil app kipat ba kilak ban ujor marmar sha chief electoral officer ban nakaliang jong u unle ya kabadan kam na jingtip balayo lum lang ba ka app kat ba ya ka kerteng jong kinong ujor an ampen pau satya.
And one app is the Vigil app. So we have heard like there are things going on like frauds, like distribution of money during elections. I think we all have heard about that. So what the government have done, what the Election Commission have come up is an app that you can report directly to the office of the Chief Electoral Officer, and they will take immediate action.
Hadin cibna kajing syak jing ed jong Ramadan